Hey guys, what's up? Thought I might as well go ahead make this video now. I'm feeling a couple raindrops. Yesterday I stayed in almost the whole day because it looked like it was going to rain. It never did. So I was getting a little antsy to get out and do something. And I figured, well, the sky looks overcast today, but it didn't rain yesterday, so surely it's not going to rain today. But as I said, I'm starting to feel a couple drops. I was going to go a little bit further. Ooh. Buy two, get one free pies. Anyway, so I decided to make this a short little walk instead as I head back to my apartment. As you know from my last video, I gave you my opinion so far and what I think about living in Cambodia. And it's safe to say it's very good. I love it here. There hasn't been a time when I've said, man, I wish I hadn't done this, or I wish I was back home. Nothing like that. It's always been very positive, very good experience. But having said that, I think anyone who has lived here for any amount of time, whether it's a month, a year, or 2 years, I think they will all agree that living here is not for everyone. Some people are going to have issues if they have a certain type of personality, let's say. So let me explain to you some things that if you have a certain type of personality, you might not be made for Cambodia. We'll start with number one. If you don't like bugs, if you hate bugs, if they're the worst things in the world in your mind, you should probably avoid not only Cambodia, but Southeast Asia in general. Because it's so close to the equator, it's hot here. It's very hot. You're going to get bugs. That's all there is to it. All kinds of bugs. Some of them you'll recognize, some of them you won't. You never know. You can keep your apartment as clean as you want. You can use as much bug spray as you want. You are going to have bugs. So if you don't like bugs, you should probably avoid coming to this part of the world. Number two is the heat. I know a lot of people that actually prefer the cold. They like the cold. They like snowmobiles and the snow. I am not one of them. But you will sweat here, and sweat a lot. 2 or 3 showers a day is not uncommon. And it's not even the full-on hot season yet. But you'll sweat if you're walking around. You'll sweat if you're just sitting outside. If you're not in front of a fan or an air conditioner, you can expect to have a good amount of moisture sweating out of you. So if you're the kind of person that doesn't like the heat, you should definitely not come over here.
Okay, good, sir.
Number three. Hey, how are you guys doing?
Yeah, I like it.
Number three, if you're really anal about people following traffic rules, if you're the kind of person that gets upset if somebody doesn't use their turn signal, or if you go into a rage if somebody cuts you off or slows you down in traffic when there seems to be no reason for them to do so, you are not going to fare too well over here. I think I've covered this before, and everybody will tell you the traffic is nuts, completely nuts, no rules. But the thing is, everybody accepts it because that's just the way it is over here. Just have to learn to go at a different pace, go with the flow. But if your thing is road rage, you're not going to get that far in Cambodia. Another thing is, if you're the kind of person who has your favorite food to eat, and you're not much of an adventurer when it comes to food, you might want to stay away. You're going to experience taste and smells and sights. It could, if you're that kind of person, it could put you off. Everyone at some point is going to get food poisoning, or what we call food poisoning. The reason for that is not because the food is rancid or it's gone bad. It's simply because bacteria thrives in this food and in this climate, and this bacteria you might not be used to back in the West. And your body has to acclimate to that. It has to get used to it. But don't let that put you off from eating. When I got food poisoning about my second week here, I'd only ate at 2 places that particular day, and I didn't know which one did me in. I wasn't sure which one, what I ate. That done that horrible thing to me where I couldn't leave my room because I needed to be within 10 feet of a bathroom for about 24 hours. But the thing is, I ate at both of those places afterwards. That's right, it's the same week I got over my sickness. 2 different times I went back to those restaurants, each one time. Ate there again. No issues. It's just something your body has to get used to. But if you're not an adventurous eater, if you don't like trying new things, you might want to avoid Cambodia. Now, if all of those things I just said do not apply to you, then you should definitely come over here. Whether it's for a vacation, or whether you're just thinking about a change of lifestyle, it's totally possible. As I have proven, it's completely within anybody's realm a possibility to live here. It takes some planning, it takes some saving, but if you can take yourself a TEFL course teaching English as a foreign language. I would recommend the International TEFL Academy. Go to their website, fill out a form where you can download some information for free, and if you mention my name, David Royce, R-O-Y-C-E, and you choose to take the course, you can get $50 off. So that is a good deal. I didn't have a reference when I signed up for mine, so I had to pay full price. But you can get $50 off just by mentioning my name. It's my gift to you. You're welcome. But you can take that course. Once you finish it, you can come over here and get a teaching job. Save some money. Save about $3-4 grand. Enough to last you, a few months until you can get acclimated and get your bearings, get your resumes together. But it's completely possible if you want to. Like I said, if you're the other type of person, hello. Yeah, if you're the other type of person, you get upset easily. You get upset when things move at a slower pace and you're in a hurry. You don't like the heat. You don't like different foods. Anything like that, you are not going to be happy. But I, however, and very happy. Right now I'm just in there looking for I'm looking for a cup with a lid so I don't have that ant problem anymore. I don't know if they have any here. I'm going to find out, see what's down here. Ooh, I do want to show you these. I have some back at my apartment too. I bought these. Where are they? Ooh, right here. These Munchies crackers butter sandwich. These are freaking amazing. Less than $2. Oh, they're crunchy but thin, creamy filling inside, and a little bit of sugar on top of the crackers. Come individually wrapped. I was thinking about trying those later. It's like some kind of, I don't know. Looks like something. Might as well try it. But anyway, I'm going to end this now. See if I can find a cup. I'll talk to you guys later.